We've reached a point where AI music is everywhere. You hit a button, you get a song, and technically, it sounds great. But let's be honest, we've all heard enough generic AI vocals in music. The space is moving fast, and lately, I've noticed a real shift in AI music. It's moving away from just, look what the machine can generate, and toward personalization. The real question now is this: how do you make a song actually sound like your own performance and your own identity? And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. I'm going to walk you through a professional workflow using Controlla Voice that bridges the gap between AI generation and human identity. This isn't just about making AI music anymore. This is about scaling your own performance and your brand. I've dropped the link to Controlla Voice in the description below, so you can head over there and follow along with this workflow as we go. First, we need a canvas to work on. I'm heading to the Song Gen tab right here inside the Controlla dashboard. I treat this like my backing band. It gives me the vibe and the production, but later on, I'm going to bring the heart. For this demo, I want to create something with a lot of space for vocal performance, so let's go with a smooth neo-soul vibe. In the lyrics box, I'm typing a simple concept. Then I'll hit that purple Improve Lyrics button. I really like this feature because it doesn't just write words. It gives the whole piece structure. It builds out verses, a chorus, and a bridge. And it even counts syllables so the rhythm feels tight right from the start. Now for the music style, I'm going to describe it clearly. Smooth neo-soul, Rhodes electric piano, deep warm bass, laid-back drum groove, atmospheric and mellow. Let's hit create and hear what the band comes up with.
Midnight rain taps like a metronome, dancing on glass while the minutes slip away. Each droplet of memory, blurred and fleeting, sitting in a quiet room, caught in a slow groove.
I think that's a perfect foundation. The Rhodes piano has that beautiful classic warmth. It's a great track, and the AI singer here is technically good, but it's generic. So if I stop here, I'm just another person pressing a button. To make this mine, let's move into the most important part of the workflow. I'm going to download this track we generated, and this is where personalization really begins. Now, to take this neo-soul track from a generic demo to a personal performance, I need to inject my own vocal DNA. So let's head over to the Swap Voice tab. You'll see two options here: Studio Models and Instant Clone. If you're just doing a quick test, Instant Clone is great. You just record 15 seconds of your voice and you're good to go. But since we're aiming for a professional radio-ready sound, I'm selecting the Studio Model. This is what gives you that high-fidelity texture that actually sounds like a finished record. As the input audio, I'm uploading the bass track we just generated, and you can see the AI analyzes the track and identifies it as a full mix song, not just a solo vocal. Now click on the Select a Voice button and go to Create Voice. Here it tells you that you'll need at least 10 minutes of audio to train your voice model. You can simply put on your headphones and record yourself singing here for 10 minutes. Or you can record separately and upload a clean audio file. And again, you don't have to be a professional singer. The AI just needs to learn the unique grain and character of your voice, so you can literally read a book aloud if you want. For this demo, I already have a recorded file, so I'm going to upload that. Controlla also gives you a few tips to get the best quality clone. Keep your vocals clean with no reverb or delay. Record in a quiet environment with no background noise, and keep it solo, no harmonies or layered vocals. Once you confirm, you can upload your file. Hit the Create Voice button and Controlla will start processing your sample and training your voice model. Alright, now that the model is ready, we can select it as our studio model for swapping. We don't need any pitch adjustments here, so let's hit swap. We're prompted to review the audio cleanup settings. I'll enable removing delays and echoes as well, and then hit swap. And here we are. Just to compare, here's the original song we generated with the generic AI vocals.
Each droplet of memory, blurred and fleeting, sitting in a quiet room, caught in a slow groove. The clock's hand stretched, pulling at my thoughts. I trace the path of dreams, scattered like raindrops.
And now it's time to hear the result. The same song, but now in my identity.
Dancing on last while the minutes slip away. Be trapped in a memory, blurred and fleeting, sitting in a quiet one, caught in a slow groove. The clock says splash, pulling them apart, that race the path, the dreams, got a light raindrops.
That is wild. It has my tone and my character, but it's sitting perfectly inside that professional soul mix. This is how you take control back from the AI. Now it feels personal. Now it feels like me. But we can take this even further. This is where things really start to get interesting. Voice blending is the feature that completely changes the game for personalization. Sometimes you want your identity, but you also want to enhance it with a specific character, maybe more grit, more soul, or a tone you don't naturally have. Under the My Voices tab, you'll see a Blend Voices option. Here, you can combine your own voice clone with one of Controlla's professional royalty-free singers. I'm selecting my voice as the base, and for the second voice, I'm choosing a built-in model with a vintage soul character. Let's go with Kyron. I'll mix my voice with the Kyron model at a 60-40 ratio. What we're doing here is creating a hybrid artist identity that literally doesn't exist anywhere else. It keeps my phrasing and my tone, but enhances it with a layer of soulful character. Now I'm heading back to the Swap Voice tab and selecting this blended voice for the same original track. Let's hear that final blended result.
Dancing on last while the minutes slip away. Be trapped in a memory, blurred and fleeting, sitting in a quiet one, caught in a slow groove. The clock says splash, pulling them apart, that trace the path, the dreams, got a light raindrops.
Now that sounds like a finished record. It's personal, it's unique, and it doesn't sound like a generic AI output. It feels like a signature sound, something built specifically for my brand. One of the biggest reasons I use this workflow is transparency. In a world full of legal gray areas, generating your bass track here and using your own voice clone gives you a much clearer path to ownership. As long as you own the inputs, you own the outputs. That means you can monetize this on YouTube, release it on Spotify, or use it commercially with confidence. And just as importantly, privacy. Controlla doesn't train its base models on your voice data. Your digital twin belongs to you, and it's used only for your own creations. In today's AI landscape, that level of control and safety is a massive advantage. We've gone from a simple text idea to a fully personalized professional artist identity. We used SongGen as our backing band. We used the studio model to scale our identity. And we used voice blending to create a signature sound that no one else can replicate. This is the future of AI music. It's not about the machine doing the work for you. It's about the machine scaling your creative soul. I've left the link to Controlla below. Go try the SongGen and the blending tools for yourself. Don't just generate, start personalizing. By the way, if you want to take this further, come join us over at the AI with Tech Snap community. We just opened up our official Discord server and Patreon. It's a place for us to hang out, share what we're creating, and help each other grow. Whether you're a free member or looking to support the channel, I'd love to see you there. Head over to the Patreon link in the description to grab your Discord invite and get started. If this helped you see the real potential of personalized AI music, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives, and I'll catch you in the next one.